family. Having fun. Swimming, meaning time, at India, and coffee. Basta. Ang tawag dito? Seafood. Okay, now for this crispy. Left side of crispy. Kaming tao. So, afternoon tayo. Kaming tao. Ano natin ang sunset. Driving family ko nagsiswim. So yeah. Having fun. Parang tinatamad pa lumawa eh. Saving high energy. Sila na lang. Bukas na ako mag-swim. So yeah. Love you guys. Sa sunset na. Kunti na lang.
Hi, Kobe. 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 Kobe, look at mommy. Are you happy? Yes. What are you building? Okay, good job, anak. Just play with sandcastle. Oh, okay, good job. Are you having fun? Okay. Wow. Let's look. There's my mag-aama, my lovely husband who's gonna be celebrating his birthday tomorrow. And then my kids, Ate Bia and Kobe. Ang agang nagising because of Boracay. Yay! Okay, here's Boracay. Wow! Yes! Pretty as ever. Medyo malumot lang pero normal naman yan dito sa Boracay. Nothing new. Tsaka malinis naman yung lumot na yan. Apparently, that's the sand na I don't know, metastasize. Charot. Ayan. My family so having fun. Sobrang love namin dito sa Boracay. We plan on doing this every year. Because my family loves it so much. Kahit nung single ako, love na love ko mag-Boracay. Look! Mamaya, mag golden hour, lalabas ulit kami. Hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast eh. Hi, Cob!
Kunin ko lang to. Iwanan. There you go. Here's the pool area. Paradise Garden Resort Hotel. Oh, ha? Kasi nga. Oh, ayun sila. Sinisir. Sama.